this is my plan in first grade, and it just died. And when I'm in second grade, and here's some snow that just froze yesterday.
Whoa.
Some snow maybe the same snow just froze already. So this is a big pile of the tree, and when it was summer, my dad pictured it with no snow. Then there's a big pile of snow, and I think the snow will come here, and you can't walk, and you can play snow fight, and you can make a ball, and then you can play snow fight like this. And then our mom will wash her gloves. And there's a dog there. It's kind of cold, and the dog loves snow. So my brother's messed up, so I think that our mom will clean these. Our mom is messed up, so we have to do this. Your shirt out there. And our dad. So very snowy, and it's so windy. So you can have fun in the snow in winter time. Sometimes we have to let our shoe in the stairs because we don't want the floor snow, and it's turning to be black. So you can have fun having a snow fight, and you can throw in your brother like that. My favorite season is winter, and Jericho, what's your favorite season? Summer, because he loves going to the beach. I love winter. And my dad kind of likes snow too. My mom likes going to the summer because she don't want to do shovel and shovel. So when you grow up, you might shovel when you grow up. So it's so deep. No, when you take off your gloves and you're touching the snow, it's gonna be frozen. But you have to hold your gloves. You're gonna have fun making a snowman. And my brother's down there, and my mom will clean that. You can have two snows.
Jericho, no.
You can have two snows.
Jericho, no.
You can have two snows, and you can wait. So dirty. And my brother Jericho, don't do that. And you can go down and make a snow angel.